Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Dogecoin on IC markets. Right now we are having Solana to USD and we want to change this. So we click here on the cross and this is the place where you can change it. So now we search here for Dogecoin and then we click on Dogecoin and now we are having here the chart of Dogecoin. Then right now there's one thing that we need to do because we need to click on new order and then fill in right here how much Dogecoin we want to buy. So the volume. I want to buy, let's say, for 10. So yeah, this is fine. 100 is fine too. And then, yeah, we want a market execution. And then we can decide if we want to put a stop loss or a take profit on it or nothing, what we want. For now, nothing, because I want to show you how to buy Dogecoin and not how to do a stop loss or take profit. But if you don't want to take the risk, please make sure that you create a stop loss or take profit. Then right now we simply click here on buy by market. And now if you can see right here, we open our position right there on the chart. So this is how you can buy Dogecoin on IC markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.